Now the question before us is two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Tuesday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on same day? Here the words are on any day as on another day. It means that Shyam and Ekta can visit the shop on any day out of these 6 days. So the days are Tuesday. We may abbreviate it as Tuesday T. Then Wednesday, we can abbreviate it as W. Next is Thursday. For the purpose of solving the question, we are using abbreviation. For Friday, we can write it as F. For Saturday, we can use the abbreviation S. So, both the customers can visit the shop on any day in between Tuesday to Saturday. So, here we will write Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So these are the 5 days. So here we will write Shyam. Here we are calculating the possible outcomes. That is, what are the chances that they will visit the shop on a same day? To calculate the same, we have to arrive at the total number of outcomes, and after that we will find out the favorable outcomes. This is the For that purpose we have to form a table to find out the total outcomes as well as the favorable outcomes. This is Shyam. Here we will again write the days: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here we will draw rows. Here we will draw columns. We are drawing this table so that we may arrive at the total possible outcomes and the number of favorable outcomes, as the formula for calculation of probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So if Shyam visits the shop on Tuesday, it is likely that Ekta may also visit on Tuesday. If Shyam visits the shop on Tuesday, it may be possible that Ekta visits the shop on Wednesday. If Shyam visits on Tuesday, Ekta may visit on Thursday. If Shyam visits the shop on Tuesday, Ekta may visit on Friday. If Shyam visits on Tuesday, Ekta may visit on Saturday. In the same way, if Shyam visits the shop on Wednesday, Ekta may visit on Tuesday. In the same way, we will form the whole table. That is, the first we will write Wednesday and it will be followed by the day which is written above the columns. Here we will write W. That is, if Shyam will visit Wednesday, it may be possible that Ekta may visit on Thursday. If Shyam visits on Wednesday, it may be possible that Ekta may visit on Friday. In the same way, here we will write Wednesday, Saturday. Here we will write Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, 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 Friday, Thursday, Saturday. Here, if it is possible that if Shyam visits on Friday, Ekta may visit on Tuesday. Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday. Here we will take first F, then this. First we will take this, then Saturday. In the same way, Saturday, Tuesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Saturday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. So now you can see that here the total number of possible outcomes are you may count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 into 5, 25. So now the number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes means the same days, number of days which are same in respect of the visiting of Shyam and Ekta on a particular day in the said week. That is, if suppose Shyam visits on Tuesday, Ekta also visits on Tuesday. If Shyam visits on Wednesday, Ekta Wednesday. If Shyam Friday, Ekta Friday. So this is the same days. We will count the number of days which are same for both, that is Shyam and Ekta. You can find that this is the Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. That is in this row. This is this. These are 5 outcomes. These are the 5 outcomes. So probability both will visit the shop on same day is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So it is 1 over 5. So we have been able to solve the first part. Now we come to the second part. Here we have drawn this table from the earlier part which we have already solved. So now what is change in this question? What we have to find out? We have to find out what is the probability that both will visit the shop on consecutive days. Consecutive means if Sham visits both on Tuesday, what is the probability that it will also that this consecutive is the next day or the previous day? In this question, the days given are Tuesday to Saturday. So in case of Tuesday, the consecutive day will be this Tuesday, Wednesday. In case of Wednesday, the first it will be Tuesday, Wednesday, or the consecutive days may be Wednesday followed by Thursday. In case of Thursday, it may be earlier day is Wednesday, then Thursday may be followed by Friday. In case of Friday, the earlier day is Thursday. These are also consecutive days. Next, in case of Friday, Saturday. This is also a pair of consecutive days. So in this way, we have to find out the consecutive days. That is days which are there is no gap in between 2 days. So we will find out the same. So here we find out that Tuesday, Wednesday, there is gap, there is gap, there is gap. Wednesday, Tuesday, there is no gap. Wednesday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, it is the one and the same thing. Then Wednesday, Wednesday, these are the same days. Wednesday is followed by Thursday. These are also consecutive days. Next, Wednesday, Friday, there is gap of Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday, there is gap of 2 days. Thursday, Tuesday, there is gap of 1 day. Thursday, Wednesday, this is Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Wednesday, it is one and the same thing. This is the same day. Whereas we are talking about the consecutive days. Thursday, Friday, this is the consecutive days. That the days where there is no gap between the 2 days. Friday, Tuesday, there is gap. Friday, Wednesday, there is gap. Friday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, there is it same. Friday, Friday, it is the same day, not consecutive. Friday, Saturday, these are consecutive days. Saturday, Tuesday, there is gap of Sunday. Saturday, Wednesday, there is gap. Saturday, Thursday, there is gap of Friday. Saturday, Friday, it means Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Friday, these are consecutive days. Saturday, Saturday, these are same days. So now we will count the number of favorable outcomes, that is the number of consecutive days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will write total number of possible outcomes. We have already counted that 5 into 5, these were 25. Now the number of favorable outcomes or number of consecutive days, these are, we have counted 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So the probability both will visit the shop on consecutive days is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. This is 8/25. This is the answer of the second part of the question. Now we proceed with the third part of this question. Now here it is written, what is the probability that both will visit the shop on different days? Different days means other than same days. That is, these were the same days. Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. These were the same days. Other are all different days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Saturday. All are different days. So we can solve it as total number of possible outcomes as 25. Number of favorable outcomes, we can write it as 20, because we will reduce the 25 minus 5 same days. We have arrived at by deducting 5 same days from total number of possible outcomes. So these are the number of favorable outcomes where the probability of visiting on different days. So here 20/25, it is 4/5. Here is the another way in which we can solve this question. What is that? Here it is written that we know that the probability of two complementary events is equal to 1. That the probability of two complementary events, it is written as probability of happening of the event and probability of not happening of the event is equal to 1. Here we have already solved in the first part of the question that the probability of happening of the same event if we say that the probability of happening of the event is probability of visiting on same day. If they are not visiting on same day, it means that they are visiting on different days. We can write it as P Here we write it as given. Probability of visiting on different days. So here we have already calculated that probability of visiting on the same day we have already calculated. What was that? We may see it was 1 over 5. So from this 1 over 5 plus probability of visiting on different days is equal to 1. So probability of visiting on different days is equal to 1 minus 1 over 5. It is 5 minus 1. It is 4 over 5. So you can also arrive at the question in arrive at the answer in this way. You can adopt either this way, this formula, or you can adopt this. That is the probability of an event plus probability of not happening of an event is equal to 1. When we have already calculated the probability of happening of the event, that is probability of visiting on the same day we have already calculated, we will subtract that from 1 and the probability of visiting on different days will be arrived at. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.